Before installing your SynSisal carpet, it's essential to follow these steps to ensure a perfect fit. Inspect the carpet to confirm the correct weave, colour, quantity and dye batch. Unwrap and let carpet acclimatise for at least 48 hours. The ideal room temperature should be between 19 and 25 degrees Celsius. Due to low profile thickness of SynSisal carpet, proper substrate preparation is crucial. Check the floor for smoothness and ensure it complies with the current standards to meet resilient flooring. Avoid cross joins with SynSisal products, as they are not recommended or warranted. If cross joins are necessary, present and approve door bar trim options before installation. The critical items for a successful installation are the specified adhesive SynSisal S340, a V2 notch trowel, and good quality seam sealer. For dual bond installations, you must use the warranted underlay, Air Step Bounce 650 or 470. Avoid using extended teeth on the knee kicker to prevent puncture marks that could damage the carpet. By following these guidelines, you'll ensure a smooth and successful installation of your SynSisal carpet.